Alright, we've all wanted to see someone destroy that microwave, today we're gonna do it. It might have dented. Alright, let's go. Alright, Jake, how is the microwave so far? Oh, the inside glass broke. It's broke in there. Alright, let's go. Take my pet microwave for a walk. Your turn, bro. What's supposed to do? Just jump on it, I don't care. Oh no! Just drop it or something. Let's. Oh yeah, good as new. Uh-oh. Alright, let's get the glass up. Lift it up. Let's just get this thing out. Put it on its roof. Put it on. Okay. That's not what I meant by roof. Interesting. Alright, we'll get back to you when we pick up this glass. The door won't shut. Whoopsies. Alright, so. Alright, we'll figure out, we'll pick this up. We'll get back to you when we shut the door and everything. Oh. I'm taking it for a walk when these cars pass. We'll pick this glass up. Stay safe. Oh no, the door's gonna fall off. Not yet. Guys, this is what I like to call fishing. We all like to fish sometimes as men. I caught a microwave! It's a big boy. Oh. Lamborghini door. Just do it. That did nothing. That literally did nothing. Oh, alright, well, we're gonna keep on walking. Oh, yeah. The door won't shut. This man broke it.
That's not broken, look. See? Not broken.
Wow, you're such a great fixer. Fire in the hole! Come down here, boy. Hi. Down here, bro. Sometimes in life, you just need to sit back and relax and enjoy the great stuff that you do with your friends. Life may be hard sometimes, but with fun like this for cheap, it can also be great. That sounded really loud. Alright, let's take her on a walk. Oh, there you go. You want a cord from me? Make sure it's on the camera, boy.
I broke the stick.
Oh, there came the door.
All right, before this segment airs, I want you to know that I'm not dropping it in the water. All right, this is the core test. Strong core. Nope. Let's go. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe for more content like this.